This conference will now be recorded.
Right, perfect. What we did in the last class, a quick recap. We started with a marketing module, Marketing Cloud. We have seen that any pre-sale activities are called marketing. Why do you do marketing? Brand awareness and product promotion, market penetration, customer retention, customer acquisition. These are the 4 reasons for which we do marketing, right? Next, we have seen that in Salesforce, marketing consists of 2 elements, campaigns and leads. What is a campaign? Any pre-sale activities are called, any targeted marketing efforts are called campaign. There are 2 types of campaigns. What are those? Direct campaign, indirect campaign. What is a direct campaign? Campaign where customers are involved directly. We call them as direct campaign, like email, like telecalling, surveys, demo class, directly face to face, or you're talking to customer. We call them as direct campaign. Whenever you don't meet the customer and you don't know what's happening, such type of campaigns are called as indirect campaign. Direct campaign can be executed from Salesforce, whereas indirect campaign in Salesforce, we maintain only the information, only the data. That's it. We cannot execute them from here, right? Whenever you launch a campaign, you see that people start calling you. People will start inquiring about the product. By looking at the banners, posters, right? People will start walking to Capital Info. Hey, new batch is starting? Yeah, started 2 days back. Go and sit. The class is going on, right? And by the way, can I have your name and phone number? They will capture the name and phone number. Where will they enter this? They will be entering this in a lead. What is a lead? It's a collection of suspect and prospect. Lead is nothing but any inquiry that comes to your business is called lead. Any inquiry, whoever is calling, we will maintain them in the place called as lead, right? Next, after you create a lead, right? Let me start from here. Rupam@of109.com. By the way, your batch number is 109. Anytime you are contacting me with an email, which I'll be sharing with you, any doubts, questions, after the class, after going home, you got a doubt, you got an error, you need to share with me, you can do that by email. You have to mention your batch number, 109. Remember this, right? So password CRM1234#, right? I'm logging into my Salesforce development environment, right? So there we go. You are learning Salesforce 21 Winter Edition. You are learning Salesforce 21 Winter Edition. Rupam, what are these editions? Today we will have a fun class. Towards the end of the class, 10 minutes, I will keep it for extra knowledge other than your subject, additional Salesforce knowledge, right? Now, I click on App Manager. We click on Marketing module. We are in the Marketing Cloud. You can see that you can create campaigns. That is what we did yesterday. We created a lot of campaigns. By looking at these campaigns, people started calling us. Everybody who calls, we are going to create what? Leads. For example, right? Saif Ali Khan. After talking to Saif Ali Khan, after organizing meeting, after organizing sending email, after doing lot of activities, right? I can go ahead, log a call, right? Call the customer for explaining course. Calling the customer for explaining course details. Comment, call the customer. Customer was happy to listen, asked these questions, something, blah, 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 blah. I will go ahead and I'll click on save. One call has been logged. One demo class has been created yesterday. Looks like that this customer is genuine. He is picking up my calls. He is meeting us. He is coming for a demo class. He's also came for 3-4 classes. Looks like he's a genuine candidate. Now we will promote him to what? Contacts. Remember that accounts and contacts are customer master. They are your customers. How to do that? We click on this drop down. We will talk about these approvals and everything later. Whichever I'm not disclosing, I'm not talking, keep it aside. I'll come there. I will cover each and everything on the screen. So don't worry about it. Right? I click on convert. System will ask you, do you want to create a new account called Bollywood? Really? Do we have a Bollywood? Let's check it out. BOL. No. B. No. Fine. So that means create a new account. Convert or create a new contact called as Saif Ali Khan. Create an opportunity called as Bollywood Saif Cloud Computing Course. Right? And I click on convert. What has just happened? We just converted a suspect to a prospect. Till today, he was a suspect, doubt. Now the doubt is gone. We have converted him to a contact. Similarly, wherever he is working, I created an account. Similarly, because he can join a course, right? I have to raise orders, I have to give him the bill, after I pay the money, all these will be done in this place called as opportunity. There is an opportunity to sell something, right? So I click on go to leads. When I go to leads, I don't see Saif Ali Khan anymore here. Why? Because we have promoted him to contacts. You go to contacts, you'll be able to see Saif Ali Khan. In real time, we don't create accounts and contacts. Accounts and contacts are converted. Remember this very well. Perfect. Now, we will have one more, right? I will waste a little bit of more time here, right? We will draw the complete Salesforce flow, right? This is very important, right? This is very important. So let me go ahead, take a blank presentation, right? I will start drawing, right? When I'll ask you to draw, then you will start. Your Salesforce starts with what? First is campaign. CAM. From a campaign, you get what? You get lead. Screen is small, so I have to be careful. Lead. From a lead, you get what? You get contacts. Next,
From your voice is not audible to me.
it is check your internet. It's not always the problem from our side. People will keep on complaining, voice I cannot hear. Check your internet connection, right? Next, opportunity. Everyone should be familiar with this diagram. Till here, everyone knows. Yes. From a campaign, you get a lead. From a lead, you get opportunity. During this process, you also get contacts and accounts. Everyone clear the way I'm drawing? Now, you know till here. Next, okay, I have to pull a little bit down because I know that it's not be sufficient. Somebody asked in the class, Rupam, what is a product master? Right? Today we'll be doing this.
Can you fit the screen size to 100%? It's not completely visible.
I told you in the first class, from my side, the screen is 100%,
Oh,
right? You have to, towards the top middle, where you see attendee 1, attendee 2, attendee 3, attendee 4, attendee 5, whatever the count you know, till 60. There you have an option called as show everyone, hide everyone.
yeah, I did
Click
that
on
already.
hide everyone. It should be 100%. My side is 100%. I cannot do
I have,
anything more than this.
Sir, on the right side corner, we have Zoom button, sir. We can go there.
Yeah, those who
We can
want to
make it
zoom, they
100.
can zoom. Right, so now, wait, in a 1 minute, I'll ask you to start drawing with me, right? Okay, start drawing with me. Start copying this diagram. The diagram is not yet over. There are so many things in this diagram coming up. Don't think the diagram is over. Start drawing it. It's very useful. Those who are joining for the first time, coming here for the first time today, so don't worry about it. If you think that you have missed something, that's okay, well and fine. Things will be all good. Copy the diagram. Done? Over?
Yes.
How did you pass your engineering then?
It's done.
See, rank 1 JNTU. Huh? Copying. You should be very good in copy, guys. I still remember in my MBA accounts, I am from electronic background. MBA accounts, Aim Radu. Mundammai. I copied from her. Full. I score more than her. She was crying. After the result came out, she was crying that he copied from me in accounts. He got more than me and I got less than him. Because while copying, you should have a brain. Getting it? Done? Together. See, when you don't know something, hero giri chupe kodu. If you don't know something, don't show your heroism. I don't know anything in accounts. Why should I show my heroism? Where you know, show your heroism. Right? Done? Copy? I'm much better than you guys. Full paper copy.
Copied,
Full
sir.
paper. Within half an hour. 15 pages. Right? Okay.
Completed,
Done?
sir.
Everyone?
Done.
Done? Right. Now let's understand this. This is the complete Salesforce CRM flow. You can see that Marketing Cloud, Sales Cloud, Service Cloud. Your Marketing Cloud consists of two, campaigns and leads. That's the reason I've given there. Your Salesforce starts with campaign. From a campaign, so what are the things we have done? Did we do this? Yes, we have done that. Whichever is completed, I'll be coloring them in green. Done? Yes. Did we completed this? Yes. Did we completed this arrow? Whichever is done in the class, I'll be coloring them as done. Did we right format? Yes. Did we create a contact? Yes. Did we create an account? Yes. Did we create it? Yes. This piece, did we do it? Yes. Till here, everyone knows. This piece we are going to start today, which we don't know. So today's class, we will start the sales module. Write down Sales Cloud. Next heading. Sales Cloud. Sales Cloud. What is a sales? What is a sales? Selling something. Very good. What is a sale?
Sale of a product.
Write down. Thank you. Write down. The process of exchange. The process of exchange. The process of exchange of a goods. Bracket product. A process of exchange of a goods. Goods. Bracket product. Or services. In return of a value. In return of a value. Process of exchange of a goods or services in return of a value or services is called sales. Process of exchange of a goods or services in return of a value or services is called sales. What is a sale? I give you the product, you give me the money. Money is a value. I give you the product, you also give me the product. Exchange. Olden days, I give you cotton, you give me rice, or you give me cotton, I will do this work for you. I'm not giving anything back, I'm giving a service. So process of exchange of a products or a goods or a service in return of a value or a services is called sales. Clear definition. I want you to be very professional when you go for interview. And these straightforward definition gives that confidence. Sales means you know your answer. I don't want to give your answers, right? No problem. Next, write down elements of sales. Number one, what are the elements of sales? Number one, opportunity. Number two, product. Number three, price book. First one, opportunity. Second one, product. Third, price book. Fourth, quotation. Fourth, quotation. Fifth, order. Fifth one is order, ORDR order. Sixth one is contract, agreement, contract. And the seventh one is called invoice. These are the 7 elements of Sales Cloud. In Salesforce, Sales Cloud consists of 7 elements. Marketing Cloud consists of 2 elements, campaign and leads. That's it. Right? Everybody clear? Now, the first element of Sales Cloud is what? Opportunity. Right? That means, hello, hi, sir, I'm calling from ICICI Bank. Do you have a personal loan requirement? No, thank you. Next call. Hello, hi, sir, this is Shweta from ICICI Bank. Do you have a personal loan requirement? Okay, how much is the interest? Sir, which company are you working? 100 people disconnecting the call, 1 person showing interest. What is rate of interest? Right? That is an opportunity. That is an opportunity. Right? That is an opportunity. That means, yes, there is a chance I can sell something. Right? Immediately, the girl will tell you that, sir, tomorrow morning, my agent will come and meet you. Can you give me your appointment? What time to come? Yes or no? Right? That means somebody has to go and meet the customer. Who? The sales agent has to go and meet the customer, explain about the personal loan, what are the documents required, what is the rate of interest. He will give you the form, fill the form, keep 3 months paid slip, 3 photograph, 1 Aadhaar card, 1 PAN card, right? IT returns, all this, right? Now, what is this? This is an opportunity, right? Now, just keep this opportunity aside. I will tell you one story. Rupam, story, good. Now, let's assume that I'm a sales rep and you all are my manager. Ide chance. In my class, rarely you will get a chance to scold trainer. Lucky chance, use it if anybody wants to scold me. I'm a sales rep and you are my manager. I joined recently in a personal loan department of ICICI Bank. I was given a target of 20 lakh business per month. I have to bring a business of how much? 20 lakhs. Perfect. Now, every 10 days, there is a meeting with my boss. I mean, you. In that meeting, I have to show my boss that what I did in my last 10 days. Right? Now, 9th day over. Today is the 10th day. I'm meeting you. Right? Before I go, what I will do, I will think, okay, let's prepare a, let's document what I did. Serial number, name, amount. Serial number 1, 2, let's say that I'm copying, right? I will say, right, Mahesh personal loan, 5,50,000. Please keep counting the zeros. If I'm making mistake, let me know. Right? SWATHS Swati from Google. Personal loan. PL. She is looking for 8 lakh rupees loan. Next, Ram. Personal loan. Looking for 3,40,000. Next, Ravi. RAVI Ravi. Personal loan. Looking for, let's say that 6 lakh. Right? Next. Oh, 60,000. Zero is less. Okay. Next, who else? Anybody wants personal loan? Mahendra. MAHIND. Okay, fine. No issues. Personal loan. How much you want? 12 lakhs. 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fine. Anyone else looking for personal loan? Tell me. No one? All a cash party? Very good. So, somebody from online also wants a loan, it seems. ABC, right? Something, let's say that 5 lakh. Right? XYZ, let's say that some 3 lakhs. Right? Number of zeros. So total. Now I make the total equals to sum of this all. Now I come to you with this sheet. You are the manager. Tell me, what will you tell me? Tell me, I'm ready to hear. What? Very good job. How many of you will tell me that I've did a very good job? Raise your hands. No one.
Rupam, you get the 50 lakhs.
My target, what is my target? Is 20 lakhs. Where am I? Double. Now tell me, I'm doing good or bad?
Good. I think it's good.
No, those
Manager is not
percentages are not
satisfied.
confirmed, right? See, we are not following up with correctly to the correct person to get it done till from starting to end. We are just making sure that this person is taking this much amount. We are giving a report to the manager. So that's not at all acceptable, right? At the end of that.
Okay, agreed. By looking at these numbers, most of you will think that I'm doing good. My target is 20, I'm in 40, 200% in that first 10 days itself. Still my 20 days is remain. This is the 10th day. I'm in 40. That means if you take a pro rata basis, pro rata ratio basis, by the end of the month, I'll be how much? 1 crore 20 lakhs. My business would be, I'll be dealing with a business of 1 crore, 1.2 crores. Whereas my target is how much? Obviously, the boss will be happy. But now, let's flip the coin. I'm the boss and it is your card. What will happen, you know? What is this you're working? This is the way you do business? Within 10 days, I see you are in 42 lakhs pipeline. If this is the way you're doing, put your papers down and get out of this office. You are not fit for this job. This is not the way you should be working. ఏం చేస్తున్నావు 10 రోజుల నుంచి ఇదేనా? This will be my reaction. Immediately you'll be shocked. Pichada? Yes, but reality is that, did we got this business? No. We don't even know whether out of this, for example, let's take Mahindra, right? Mahindra want 12 lakhs loan, right? He came to us, he filled the form, right? We told him that within 5 days we'll give him a loan. After 15 days, I call Mahindra and I tell, hey Mahindra, your loan got approved, but not 12 lakhs, only 10 lakhs. He said, okay, no problem. Or he might say, sorry, I don't need. You promised me within 5 days, but now after 15 days, you're coming and telling that my loan is approved. What should I do? I've already taken loan from someone outside, so I don't need your loan. So at any given time, this can go to zero. Yes or no? So these are just biryani on the sky, not on the plate. These are all virtual. In reality, how much business I have closed is not showing in this report, right? Now, every bank or every business will have stages. For example, initial, right? Initial discussion. It's important. Whenever I say initial discussion, it assumes that my 10% work is done. Next, document or requirement understanding. I will ask Mahindra, right? So first, I went to Mahindra, right? I discussed, he says that he wants 10 lakh, 12 lakh rupees loan. Next, I will try to understand his requirement. Why do you need 10, 12 lakhs? He will say, I want to go for a foreign tour with my girlfriend. Right? Married? Not married? Not married. Okay, very good. Fine. So he wants to go to a foreign tour with his girlfriend. I will say, with your fiancé? He said, yeah, probably. Oh man, in that case, I don't think 12 lakh will be sufficient. Where are you planning to go? I'm planning to go to Paris and European countries. No. 12 lakh is not sufficient, right? So I believe that you should go for minimum 15 lakhs. Depending on his requirement, I'm proposing him. Because if you go to from Paris, definitely you'd like to go for, some other place. Your girlfriend will tell, let's go to Amsterdam. Then he cannot say no. In Paris, she'll be buying costly perfumes. He cannot say no, right? Air tickets, flights, everything is costly. It's in euro. 1 euro equals to 80, approximately 80 or 82, whatever it is. Okay, 82, 83, whatever it is. So hence experienced, right? So definitely I feel that 12 lakh is not sufficient. That is the reason there's something called understanding requirement. And then I will say doc collection. Whenever is a doc is collected, 40% work is done. Next, I will say document verification. Document verification. Once the documents, because he will be giving Aadhaar card, PAN card, salary certificate, we will verify those documents. I will say that 60% work is done. Next, loan approval. Whenever we'll say loan approval, right? Thank you, Kalyan. Right? Whenever it's loan approval, I will say 75% of work is done. Loan released, I will say 90% of work is done. 90%. When customer accepts, I will say 100% work is done. When customer rejects, I will say 0% work. See, ICICI Bank is following these steps. These are called sales pipeline. What do we call it? Sales pipeline. If you go to Google, right? If you go to Google and type sales pipeline, you will get a complete topic to do research. What is a sales pipeline? What is sales pipeline versus sales funnel? What is pipeline, right? Why I'm showing you all these things? Because as soon as we start Salesforce customizing, these type of reports and graphs you have to build. Yes, exactly like this will build, right? To build this, you need to understand the pipeline concept. What is a pipeline? It is nothing but a stages followed during a sales process. I am selling a personal loan to someone. During the selling process, there are steps. These steps are called as pipeline. Pipeline will change from bank to bank, business to business. If it's a gold loan, if it's a housing loan, do you think that the steps will remain same? No. There would be one more step after document verification called site verification. Asla plot unda leda, apartment unda leda, site verification. There would be one more step, right? What is before one? It is nothing but registration. On the registration date only, registration happens, then only the loan will be released. I mean, they will give the check, right? The stages will change business to business, bank to bank, industry to industry. Remember this very well. Sales pipeline is nothing but stage. Based on this pipeline, I will say pipeline. And then I will have something called as expected revenue. Expected revenue. What is the pipeline? Here, let's assume that 100%. Mahesh loan, we have one. Swati's loan, I'm in still collecting document, 20%. This is, let's say that loan got approved, release, 90%. Ravi personal loan, let's say that it is at what? Document collection, 40%. Mahendra's personal loan, I'm still discussing with him, 10%. ABC, let's say that it's in the document verification stage. XYZ, let's assume that it is 100%. Now my expected amount will be 100% of, right, into, right, percentage of this. What I did, right, 100, perfect. That's good. Now you calculate the total equals to sum of. Guys, able to understand? Yes or no, everyone? See that where I'm standing? Did you got the reason why I shouted on you? Because this is 20% done. So you cannot take 8 lakhs. You have to take 20% of 8 lakhs, which is 16, 1,60,000. Here, 10% work is done. So 10% of 12 lakh is 1,20,000. You cannot go by this number. You have to go by the expected. This is also not a correct number. Tomorrow, let's say that I want a loan, right? I applied, same thing. After 10 days, they called me, sir, your loan got approved. I took the check. I went home. My wife immediately started scolding me. Endukandi loan? Ma daddy ichcharu kada? My father gave no. So why are you taking loan again? No, 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 return the check. Even though it is 100%, I can call my agent and I say, hey, sorry, naki loan avasam ledandi. I don't need the loan. Sir, my processing fee will be gone. Poteponi, I don't want the loan. So after 100% also, there is a chances that it might go zero. Hence, these are the expected amounts. A directional, at least better than this, better than 42 lakh. This is something reasonable. Able to understand? Now, why do you need this? Right? Can you track sales person? For example, I come to the bank, sign, and I tell my boss that today I'm going to meet Mahindra. It is a 12 lakh worth business. I come out of the bank, take my phone, right? Ready gondo? Hostel ki vastunanu. I go pick up my girlfriend, go for a movie, have lunch, dinner. Oh, not dinner, lunch. 5 o'clock, I come back to the bank and I tell my boss, sir, I was waiting outside TCS. Mr. Mahindra told me that he will meet me in half an hour. Then he said that 1 hour. Whole day I wasted, sir. Can my boss catch me? No. I can waste the time. Right? Now, right, what happens is that my seniors tells me that, Arey, you're also idiot. Do one thing. Why can't itu ainda? అందుకే మేము సీనియర్స్ మా దగ్గర నుంచి నేర్చుకోవాలి. You should learn from us. What? Do one thing. Put your friend's name in that. A, B, C. Put big amount. 15 lakh, 18 lakhs, right? 22 lakhs. And see, you cannot say document collection. Say 20%. 20%. Put all in 20. 20, 20. Now you see my pipeline? 27. Earlier it was how much? 19. With 19, my manager scolded me. My seniors told me that before going, add some fake data, go, pipeline will look good. At least he will not shout on you. Okay, next time manchiga jai 27 gada 30. You came out. Next week when you go, then what should happen to this? You will convert to 000 and then again you will insert XYZ. Previous week you will close it. Next week meeting, again we'll insert some fake data. Now this time no ABC, this time XYZ. Do you think managers cannot catch you? Now, when you plot the graph, let me show you, and then we will come back to the Salesforce. And this is a required. Don't think that I'm just talking all these things. You know, you might be feeling it's funny, it's joke, that's all going on, right? But definitely remember that it's required, right? So let's understand. This is the graph. So what is happening is that this graph, who will draw? When we'll come to the reporting and dashboard, there's a topic called as wave analytics. You have to draw this graph, right? That's the reason I'm coming with here. Suddenly there'll be hike this week. Oh, Rupam is doing good. Before coming to the next week, I have to close the last week fake data. My graph will go down. Again, I've inserted another fake data. I remove ABCD. Now I inserted what? XYZ. Right? Able to understand? You inserted XYZ, it gone up. ABC. Then you removed ABC, it came down. Right? If you go with a down arrow, he will scold. So again, you inserted another fake data, XYZ, the graph went up. Again, next week, you will remove XYZ and you will insert what? MNOP. If your graph looks like a sawtooth, you know what is a sawtooth? Cutting wood, sawtooth. If your graph looks like a sawtooth, manager will understand that agents are playing with the system. Your sales manager will be able to understand that all my sales representative are playing with my system. Not what. If it's original, then how will it look? If a person is genuine, then the graph will look like this. It will increase, not straight like this. Slant. Slowly it will increase. It will fall. Yes, there will be certain deals will be closed, but not steep. It will be slant like this. Increments will be there. Yes, increase will be there, but not straight like this. It will be slant. Slant means slope, slopey. Falls will be there. Yes, next week some deal might got lost. Now see the graph. One graph is like a mountain, another graph is like a plateau. By looking at this graph, sales team will, your manager will be able to understand what the sales are doing. That is the importance of sales pipeline. What is the importance of sales pipeline? To track sales. Clear? Now write down default sales pipeline. Default sales pipeline. Able to understand the concept? What is a sales pipeline? It is nothing but stages during a sales process. Stage will be connected to percentage. Who will give this percentage? Business. If it's Apollo Hospital, what will be the stage? Patient registration, doctor appointment, diagnostics. After that, operation could be, right? Then finally, treatment done. These stages can be differ from business to business. Our work is not to create that stage. The stage has to be given by the client. Client will give us and we will put this in the Salesforce. Clear now everyone? Right? So write down default pipeline, right? Write down, keep on writing. Default pipeline, right? Number one, write down, right? Default pipeline, prospecting 10%. Here it is, prospecting 10%. Next, qualification 10%. Prospecting 10%. Second, qualification 10%. Third, need analysis 20%. Third, need analysis 20%. Third, need analysis, 20%. Right? Fourth, value proposition. It's there on the screen. Value proposition, 50%. Next, identifying decision makers, 60%. Identifying decision makers, 60%. Next, perception analysis, 70%. Next, perception analysis, 70%. Next, perception analysis, 70%. Next, proposal price quote. Proposal price quote. Proposal price quote, 75%. Proposal price quote, 75%. Next, negotiation review, 90%. Negotiation review, 90%. Negotiation review, 90%. Next, one, WON, one, obviously 100%. Lost, obviously 0%. These are the default Salesforce pipeline. In an interview, they will ask you, what is the default Salesforce pipeline? You have to tell this. By default, this is the pipeline available in Salesforce. Now write down, say pipeline, sales pipeline. What is that sales pipeline? Right? Stages followed during a sales process. Stages followed during a sales process. Stages followed during a sales process is called sales pipeline. Is called sales pipeline.
Sir, can you repeat again, sir?
Stages followed during a sales process is called sales pipeline. Clear? What are the default pipeline? You have just seen the default pipeline here. Here it is. Right? Prospecting, qualification, need analysis, value proposition, identifying decision makers, perception analysis, proposal price, right? Negotiation, closed, right? These are the stages. Clear, everyone? Right? Perfect. Now, Saif Ali Khan, which stage are we in? We are in the need analysis. Saif Ali Khan wants to join Salesforce course. Definitely, I want to know why. Right? So, hence, we are where? We are in the need analysis stage. I will go ahead and I will enter an amount called 60,000. As soon as I click on save, right, you will see that, right? Okay. I'm going here, right? So 60,000. If I scroll down, see 10% prospecting 0. Then it went to closed because actually I click on closed and then I click on saved. Then I move to need analysis, 60,000. What is the amount you are able to see? 12. 60% of 12. That is what we were calculating here. Expected revenue, expected amount. The same thing even the Salesforce is also doing. Right? Now you change the stage to identifying decision makers. Mark as complete. It's over. Automatically the stage will change to 60%. Your sales pipeline will jump from 20%. It jumped to where? 60%. And you can see. Tomorrow you have to make a graph with this data. Whatever this data is there, can anybody delete this data? No, right? You have to delete, you have to go ahead and create a graph with this data, something like this graph I'm talking about. And with this graph, managers will be able to understand what sales are doing, whether this is a genuine deal or not, whether this is a fake deal or not. What with a stage. Now, perfect. We want to add product. How did you got the 60,000? Nobody knows. So what we'll do is that we will see product. Write down product. What is a product? Write down. What is a product? Any goods or service available for sale. Any goods or service available for sale is called product. Any goods or service available for sale is called product. Write down. Next, price book. Next heading called as price book. Pricing strategy. Pricing strategy. Pricing strategy. Pricing strategy to focus a product. To focus a product to a multiple price range. Pricing strategy to focus a product to a multiple price range is called price book. Is called price book. Pricing strategy to focus a product to a multiple price range is called price book. In your certification, I am here now. I'm in this piece. This is the piece that you're dealing with now. Under the Salesforce certification, right? This is the place which we just started. Know when product and price book should be used. That is what I'm starting now. 15% marks in your Salesforce administration certification. Right? Salesforce certified administration curriculum. This is the topic. Clear? So what is a price book? Pricing strategy to focus a single product or a product to a multiple price range. Now, to understand this, Varun Motors, everyone knows, Maruti car dealer. Varun Motors, Begumpet. I go and buy an Alto car, you go and buy an Alto car. Both of us buy a same Alto car. Same color, same model. Do you think price will be same? Why? Tell me why. Why the price shouldn't be same?
Based on the demand, the rate will be changed.
Based on what rates will change? Same day. Okay. Same dealer,
Demand,
same
sir.
car,
Demand.
same model, two different customers on the same day buying a car. Is it any guarantee that both will buy at the same price? No. Varun Motors, right? Price are not static, they are dynamic. Based on the customer, the price is changing. He will quote high. You will try to negotiate. I might be very bad in negotiation. I bought the car at 3,80,000. You are very good in negotiation, bargaining. Same car you will purchase at 3,50,000. I purchase for 3,80,000 Alto, you purchase for 3,50,000. Same car, everything is same dealer. This is called price book. One product, multiple pricing. One product, multiple pricing. I want to sell this laptop. The price in the laptop is printed 50,000. On the box, it's printed 50,000. When Mukesh Ambani comes to buy this laptop, Mukesh Ambani, tell me at what price will you sell him? Tell me.
5 lakhs.
Huh?
5 lakhs.
What price will you sell him?
5 lakhs.
He will sue you. He's not an idiot.
1 lakh.
Because he has a money doesn't mean that 50 lakh laptop you will sell it for 1 lakh. Your company will be closed. So don't give nonsense answers. Right? Either I will sell it at MRP, that is a maximum retail price. I cannot go beyond than that. That's an illegal, it's a crime. Or I will tell Mr. Ambani, sir, you are our gold customer. You are our platinum customer. You are our titanium customer. I will give you 10% discount. Right? So 50,000 laptop, I can give you at 45,000. Ambani will be happy, even though he don't require discount. He doesn't require discount because he has enough money to buy. But still, you are giving him a discount because to make him as a privileged customer, so that he has a trust and faith on you. Same product when one of you are buying. A student is buying. Tell me at what price I should be selling it. My manufacturing cost is 25,000. To manufacture this laptop, company's manufacturing cost is 25,000. In the box, it's printed how much? 50. To Ambani, I sold it at 45. Tell me at what price I should sell to a student. No, I will not make a loss. Don't give all nonsense answers.
35.
No company will make a loss. 25,000 itself is my price. Do you think I'll sell it for 22? Come on, man.
40.
It is
40,000.
50,000.
20?
40.
22. Okay. Okay. Let's say that you
50,000
decide.
only.
Oh,
I said
50,000.
50,000 and asked for recommendation. I said 50,000 and give 10% discount and ask for recommendation.
Okay. So she will. Okay. Whatever it is. Fine. Definitely. Answer is if 25,000, you all are expecting at 26,000. Yes or no? Same laptop. I don't want the company to go in loss. Babu, profit J. But Mari 15,000 profit Ottu. Take 1,000 profit, sell it to us. Yes or no? Yes, everyone? Or max 28 or 30. See
The
that?
transfer.
Same laptop, Ambani 45, student 30. This type of strategy is called as what? Price book. What is a price book? One product, multiple pricing. Depending on what? Depending on customer. Because I don't want to leave the money on the table because Ambani came with full money. Will you leave the money on the table? No. Same time, I don't want to leave the customer also. If I tell 45 to the student will run away. So what I will do, I will not neither leave the student, neither leave Ambani, right? Somewhere I will increase the price, somewhere I will reduce the price. Dynamic pricing. This dynamic pricing is called price book. Automatically, this dynamic pricing is done by a software called as CPQ. CPQ is a software which does that. As soon as you say Ambani, immediately the product price will go up. As soon as the software recognizes it's a student, immediately the price will come down. Tell me, how does a sales rep know on the phone that the person with whom he's speaking is original Ambani? Hi, this is Anil. Sir, can I have your number? Yep, I'll enter. How do I know that he's Anil Ambani? Right? He's not saying that I'm Ambani. And if he says Ambani, how do I know that I have to sell him at 45, 47? System has to decide automatically. This automation of deciding a price based on customer previous history, based on customer previous purchases, we call them as CPQ. Configure, price, quote. In Amirpet banners, you might have seen Salesforce CPQ, Salesforce CPQ. What is a CPQ? It is an automation software that will propose multiple pricing for a single product, right? Based on the customer historicals, right? Whenever you enter Ambani, immediately you will see that some high-end models started coming on the screen. Any meaning showing Ambani a low-end model? There is no meaning showing Ambani a Celeron processor, Pentium processor. I will show him i7, not even i3, because I know that he is interested. All these interests will be captured and stored in the system. And as soon as you come to create a quotation, immediately system will suggest you, show i7, i7 with 8 GB, i7 with 9 GB, i7 with 16 GB. Whenever I enter a student name called Ravi, immediately system will show i3 with 2 GB memory. Unless until the student says that I want i7. System will recommend. These auto recommendation is done by a software called as CPQ. Clear everyone? Everybody understood? Yes, one product, multiple pricing, CPQ. To have CPQ, you need to have a category. Ambani has to be A category. For all A category, this is the price. All B category, this is the price. All C category, this is the price. That is the reason banks use gold card, silver card, titanium card, platinum card. Credit cards in the bank, actually they are A, B, C, D. But A, B, C, D, if they tell, it doesn't look good. Hence they use what? Metal lane, platinum, full, titanium, taupe, right? Whenever you are in silver, you have to understand that your C category, silver, then gold, right? Now, let us create that. How to do in Salesforce, right? Click on App Manager, click on View All. Now, stop writing, close your book, only watching for the next 6 minutes, right? We started class 6 minutes late, no? So, another 5 minutes I'll extend them, right? So, what I did, App Manager, View All, scroll down, look for price book. Here is the price book. Price book. Click on price book. I click on new. I will create gold. G-O-L-D, gold. Right? Write a description. Right? Gold customer. Customer whose purchase is less than 10,000. Any definition. I will say active. Is it the standard? No. I click on save. One price book got created. Once again, I click on App Manager, click on View All, I scroll down, click on Price Book. Already gold is there, which we just created. Now I click on New. I will say silver. Oh, we'll start with gold. So next, platinum, right? Active, yes. Next, save and new. I'm creating one more. Gold is over, titanium. What is the spelling? T-A-I-T-A-N-I-U-M. Okay, whatever it is. Titanium, see spelling.
TI.
Right. But that's okay, thank you. Now, I click on save and new. I'll create one more called as, right? Platinum, titanium, anything else?
Silver.
Titanium delight. Okay, I will say delight. This is the extreme, highest cadre. Save. We just created a price book. What we did? We view all. I went, created a price book. These are the price book we have. Gold, platinum, titanium, delight. Only book. Inside the book, we'll add the page later. Now we have just created the book. Now, second step. This is the first step of CPQ. I'll give the notes tomorrow. Don't write down. Just today, listen. Second step. I click on my app manager. Click on view all. I look for product. Here is the product. I click on product. I click on new. I create a product called as SFDC course. Is it active? Yes. What is the code? SFDC 2021. Salesforce course INCLUD, including consulting, admin, development, INTG. I click on save. I just created a product. Once again, app manager, view all, scrolling down, looking for a product. I didn't add the price. Remember that only product is created because one product will have multiple price. If it's a silver, I'll give different price. If it's a gold, I'll give different price. Now I'm creating product price. Later I will join them. Right? Now I create another product, new. What is that? SFDC Lightning. What is the product? LTLWC. That's the product code. Active, yes. Which family it belongs to? I didn't create any family, so I'm leaving it. Right? Includes Aura and LWC. LWC by Rupam, me only. I click on save and new, right? Rather than every time going save, right? I'll create a product. What is that? .NET. Product code, NET. Active, yes. Blah, 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 blah. Save and new. Next, Java. Whatever my institute is selling, right? DevOps. Whatever our institute is selling, right? DVOPS. Save. Let's assume that these are the products which we are selling. These are the products our institute is selling, and our institute has divided customers into gold, silver, platinum, titanium, no silver at all, okay, and delight. There are 4. Separate. We have not yet joined. Clear everyone? Right? Perfect. Now let's join this. Before you join a price, multiple pricing, what is the MRP? I have to have one standard price, right? So in the box, 50,000 is printed, which I'll tell everyone. Then I will sell it at 45, 30, later part of the story. First, any customer comes, I have to tell him a single price. How to add that single price, right? Go to once again, how to add. Open the product, view all, I'm going to product. Open the product, Salesforce. Click on related. Click on add standard price, right? Add standard price, right? Now here, standard price of this course is 45,000. How much I'm saying? But nobody will buy it 45, even I know. This is just an MRP. I click on save. Over. Immediately, it gives you a button called add to price book. 45,000 is a printed price. Now add to price book. Which price book you want to add? Let's add to delight. What is the currency? USD. Can I change the currency? Yes. For now, the whole Salesforce in USD. We will change the currency later. Click next. For delight, what is the price you want to give? Right? Delight. For delight people, 42. Okay, 42. See, for delight, I'm setting the price to how much? 42. Save. For price of the course is 45. For delight, I've set to 42. Add to price book. Next, gold. Right? Gold, or we'll start with titanium. Right? Currency, USD. Next, what is the price? 40. 1, 2, 3. Whoever is a titanium customer, same course I will sell it for how much? 40. Save. Again I will say add to price book. Right? Next, platinum. How much? Next, tell me. 38. Okay. 38. 1, 2, 3. Save. See that one product. How many price I'm adding? Keep on watching. Right? Next, you want to add more? Perfect. Next, last, gold. What is the price? Right? Let's say that 35, 1, 2, 3. Standard price is how much? 45. Save. See, one product, multiple pricing. One product, multiple pricing. That is what I am doing. Now, like this, there are 100 products. Will you keep, what do you call one by one product? If you do, it will be evening. First of all, I have only 5 products. In real time, there will be how many? Thousands of products. In such case, we will upload using Excel sheet, which I'll come there. Now I'm showing you manual. Now in the manual also, I want to make my life easy. Let's open another product, Lightning. Go to related. Click on add standard price. First is the standard price. How much? 30,000. Standard price. Click on save. Leave it. Don't add price book now. Add the standard price. Leave it. Come to the next product. DevOps. Come here. Click on add standard price. I'm adding, let's say that, how much? 25,123. For the 2 products, I just added standard price. I didn't add it to the price book. Now what I will do is that I will go to the price book. I look for price book. Price book, price book, price book, price book. I go to the price book called Delight. I click on related. I click on add product. Here I can say DevOps, Lightning. Click next. At a time, 2 products I'm adding. Able to understand yes or no? If you are in price book, if you're in price book, you can add multiple products. But if you're in product, you have to add single, one by one, you have to keep on adding. Understood? If you are in the product, from the product, if you're linking price book, then one by one. But if you're in price book, linking product, then multiple. Product to price book, single, right? From a product, if you're linking a price book, one by one I was doing every time. But if you're in price book and then you link product, linking, whether you link from here to there or there to here, meaning is same. But here, if you're standing on the price book and you're linking a product, then you can see that at a time I can select 2. If 3 product at a time, I can select 3. At a time, I can give a price. DevOps 25, list price. I'll change it and I will say 20. 30,000 Lightning course. I will change it and I will say 28. In a single go, 2 products I'm adding to the price book. Save. Anybody is in a hurry to leave? Anyone has job? Don't think about others. Anybody is hurry to leave? I mean, you have a time constraint. Anyone? Online? Anyone has a hurry to leave? Can I take another 2 or 3 more minutes? Yes, so that I'll complete this one piece. Price
Yes, sir.
to product, we have linked. Now price, product have to link to a opportunity. Shall I continue? Another 3 to 4 minutes? Yes, right. So what we did, we created a product, we created a price book. You can connect a price book to a product or product to a price book, anything. If you are connecting from a product to a price book, single, one price book you have to add. But if you go to the price book and then add product, then you can add at a time multiple, 10, 20, 50, 30, 100. Done. Now, how can I link this both to my opportunity? Now I come to the opportunity, right? I come to where? Opportunity. What was the opportunity? Bollywood, Saif Ali Khan. Saif Ali Khan wants to learn cloud course. I come to the product. I click on add product. Immediately system will ask you the price book. Is it a delight customer? Is it a gold customer? Is it a platinum customer? Because we don't have a CPQ software. If we have a CPQ software, this work would have done automatically. System would have decided whether the Saif Ali Khan is original Saif or not. Because we don't have a separate software is available called as Salesforce CPQ. It's a separate software. It is a paid software, not free. If you pay it and install it, then immediately system would have shown me the list of products. Now manually I have to say delight. I click on save. System will show me the products. Whichever products are available in delight, that only will be shown. He wants to join this. Click next. Right? How many quantity? Looks like Saif Ali Khan, Karishma Kapoor Khan, Karishma Kapoor and Kareena Kapoor. Wife, husband, and wife's sister. 3 people want to join the course. 3. Oh, quantity 3. 3. Quantity 3. Till which date this price is valid? I know this is my same price, but I have to tell within Sunday, if you don't come, price will increase. When you go to buy a car, they keep on telling you, sir, the price is valid only for 1 week. This is for you to jump and join. So here also I can do that. Sir, this price is valid till 15th. 15th taratoste, I can't guarantee this price. Right? Right? What is this? This is core course. Core. This is advanced course. Anything you can write. It's not compulsory you have to write. I click on save. Immediately the product get added. From 60,000, my amount has changed to how much now? 2,10,000, and you can't edit this field. This field is now auto calculated. Go ahead and multiply and plus it, you'll get the same answer. So what we learned today, how to create a price book, practical. How to create a product, how to link a price book to a product or a product to a price book, and then linking it to an opportunity. What is a price book? It's a pricing strategy for focusing a product to a multiple price range is called price book. What is a product? Everyone knows. What is an opportunity? I didn't give a definition. Turn your page, there's no definition. Tomorrow I'll give you an opportunity definition. So today's class, we started Sales Cloud, right? And we have seen what is a sales pipeline, right? What is a product? What is a price book? How to link all together. Clear? Now, definitely, I don't want to give a homework. You know your homework. What is the homework? Create 10 opportunities, 10 product, 10 price book, link 7, link 5, whatever it is. There are many products which I have not linked. There was a product called as Java, which we have not linked. They are not linked to any price book. We will continue this class for tomorrow. Everybody able to understand? Yes or no? Right? Before coming to the practical, I am giving you the background. Why do you need it? Induka requirement. So that in an interview, you should be able to answer by yourself without looking also with your own words. You should be able to answer. That is the main purpose. Clear? That's it for today. Right? Be here on time. Once again, your trainer is not like others. That 10:30 class will start at 10:40, 10:50. No, 10:30 class. He
Thank
always
you,
try to chase time. So be here on time.
Rupam.
Offline, any doubts? No? Thank you guys. Have a nice and wonderful day.